Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Mars Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be setting up HX VPN on all networks in all countries. So the first step, I'm going to go to my Google Play Store, write the search icon here, and then I'll be searching for the VPN code HX Tunnel, like this, HX Tunnel VPN. And after searching for it, I'm going to make sure that I download that VPN application. After downloading that VPN application, I'm going to open that VPN like this. Make sure you have a running data bundle. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it to all your friends, because this is the only working VPN in your country. I'm going to have such a notice, and I'm going to press OK. And I'm free to join their Telegram channel or no. That means I click later. Then I'm going to go right here. I'm going right here, and I choose the all updates, and I'm going to be waiting for those updates. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. And after, I'm going to have no updates available, so I'm going right here where I have the auto server, and then I'll click at the auto server button, and I'm going to leave it in the auto server, and I'm going to choose that's the next option, which is this one, and I'll go and I start looking for those servers, but I'm going to search the server code. I'm going to search all world. This all world UDP, and after, I'm going to be connecting at that server. Trust me, that server works, and I have used so far 11.75 GB as you see, and 1.3 GB upload. As you see, that is connecting in at just one tap. It has connected successfully, and I'm just watching an ad. Don't forget to subscribe. I sign out.